Get your peep. Get your peep. No, don't eat the blanket. Where you going? You're a crazy baby. Come on, show us how. You only showed a little bit. I want to show them. Oh, quit eating that blanket. Quit eating that blanket. Okay, Jack. Hey, show them how you do it. That's not what I want. Go back up on your hands and knees. You can do it. Come here. Here's. Don't get mad, buddy. You're okay. Don't get mad. Jack. Alright, hold on. Here. Hey. Hey, you're making me take a crappy video. I mean, a stinky video. Don't say that word. Yeah. Go ahead. Show us how. Oh, you tired? Is it tiring? It's hard work being so cute, isn't it? Yeah. Hi. Hi. What you doing? Hey, Jack. Get your Bolly Wally. Well, you've completed your 360, if nothing else. Hey, stinker. You giving up? Jack. I see you smiling. Come on, buddy. Get your peep. Get your peep. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Get it. There you go. Get it. Hi. Jack, hey, quit spinning in circles. That's not going to get you anywhere. Hey, where you going? You're so silly. Are you tired? Alright, I guess that's it. You're not going to show them except that little bit right at the beginning. You're going the wrong way. Now you're getting farther away. And you're off your blanket. Alright.